Hi everyone, I hope you're having an amazing weekend. I am super excited because I just received, well I guess it was a few days ago, but I recently received another Influenster VoxBox. If you do not know what Influencer is, I did explain it more in my last video, which I'll do a mini review in just a moment for, but I will link that down below where I go more in depth about what Influencer is and how to use it to your advantage and all of that. And also I link my own page so we can become friends on that website if you want to. I think it helps. But anyways, Influencer is a place where you link your social media accounts and you get sent products to review and then you review them on your social media. So it's pretty awesome. I usually get like hair care products for some reason, and I'm not like a big hair person, but like I'm not complaining. It's free product and it's generally really good. But I think the one I got this time is full of like different things like makeup, skincare, and hair care. I don't know exactly, but that's what the email said when they sent me it and said you're in, like that's how they do it. So I'm super pumped to see what is in this package. It's super cute. Pink, has the Influencer logo on there. But before we get started, I want to remind you that I do have my 4,000 subscriber giveaway going on that ends May 8th and is open international. So I will also leave the link to my giveaway video if you want to enter and have not yet done so. You might as well, why not? Worth a shot, and I think there's some pretty good things in that giveaway. And also, like I said, I want to do a quick mini review. So about a month, maybe 2 months ago now, I don't know, time goes by so fast, I received a shampoo and conditioner and also a leave-in conditioner from Seed Phytonutrients, and this is a brand that is sold at Sephora, and I have loved this. So if you watched that video, yes, these like compostable packages did last in the shower despite looking like they would just like be destroyed. I really like it. The shampoo is pretty much empty. I do have some conditioner left. That just is how it works for me. I hear a lot of people saying they go through conditioner faster, but I do not. I go through shampoo faster, but I think this left my hair definitely like looking healthier and felt better too. One thing, the shampoo is made of all like good for you type ingredients, so it doesn't really lather, so I felt like I had to use more shampoo. But that wasn't the big issue. It did last me almost 2 months. There might be even like 1 or 2 more uses in here. And the conditioner I really liked a little bit, went a long way, so that was awesome for that. The leave-in conditioner I didn't use too often. I actually did use it today. I used it a few times so I could review it, but I definitely didn't use it as much as my others just because I had another leave-in conditioner open that I was trying to use up. I do like this, but if I had to purchase anything, I would get the shampoo and conditioner just because I felt like the conditioner works so well. I didn't really like need a leave-in conditioner. I just like using them. So yeah, like I said, I will leave the link to that video if you want to learn more about those products. But I just want to let you guys know I do really like them, and I think they really did give some benefit to my hair. But let's get started on this box. I am so curious what is in here. So when I open it, this is what I see. It looks like there is a card on here, so let's see. I can't remember what this VoxBox is called. Oh, it's the Fresh and Fab VoxBox. Awesome. So it gives a description. It looks like there's 4 items in here, and there's pricing and a little bit of info there, so that is cool. I will keep that for reference. I'm trying not to peek right now. And on the back it tells you how to do it. It says, out of millions of members, there's just one you. Congrats on making our list of hand-picked influencers to receive this VoxBox. Get ready to explore, indulge, and more. And then it tells you about going to their phone app. So you do that, say that you got your box, then you try your products, unlock some badges, and take a survey at the end. So it's really simple. Like, it really is not hard to review a product. You just have to put in a few sentences, you know, it's not bad. Maybe take a picture or 2 for Instagram. But let's get started. There's a decent amount of stuff in here. I said 4 items, but maybe there's like multiple of some, I don't know. Oh, I love Saturday Skin. The first thing is the Wide Awake Brightening Eye Cream by Saturday Skin. I received a Saturday Skin moisturizer in the past, like the Glacier Water Cream, I think it was, in a VoxBox like last summer, I think. And I loved it. So I am super excited. This seems really big for eye cream. Let's get this opened. Whoa, this will last so long. This is the biggest eye cream I think I've ever seen. How much product is in here? 30 mLs, a fluid ounce. That's like how much you get like in a foundation bottle. So it says, apply the cream to the tip of the ring finger, dot in a C formation to the under eye. Use a tapping motion for maximum absorption. I actually do that. I try not to like actually rub the eye area because that skin is so delicate and I don't want any more under eye crinkles. But let's see what it says about this. I am so excited. Wow. So I guess there's 2 products from Sunday Riley in here. I'll read just about the eye cream now. It says this is $46. And it doesn't give too much information. It just says this is the best selling eye cream at Sephora, I think. So $46 eye cream, and this is a lot of product. So I'm super excited about that. So let's just go on to the next Saturday skin product. This is their Bright Potion Probiotic Power Serum. Awesome. I only have sample size serums right now, so I need a serum. And it says, brilliance in a bottle. This potent serum is highly enriched with encapsulated probiotics activated by prebiotics, creating a powerful solution for the look of luminous, healthy looking skin. Awesome. I don't think I have anything with like probiotics or prebiotics for the skin right now. I think I do have a Tula facial cleanser, but I haven't used it yet. Let's get this open and look at it. So this is also 30 mLs in 1 fluid ounce. Wow, this serum is $51. And this is so cute. It looks like a big nail polish, doesn't it? Oh my god, so let's see what the directions say. It says use morning and night, warm the product by emulsifying, then press the serum into the skin. Use a tapping motion for maximum absorption. I am so excited. This is almost $100 worth of Saturday skin products. That is crazy, and I really liked the moisturizer, so I'm so excited to see what else they have. And it says this potent serum helps activate skin ability to boost vitality. Awesome. Now what are these 2 cute shiny things? Oh, these are by Kaja. I've never used this makeup brand before. I think they're the makeup brand that has like that roller highlighter you've probably seen on Instagram, at least maybe on YouTube. So these are the Moon Crystal. God, this packaging's so shiny, it's like hard to read. The Moon Crystal Sparkling Eye Pigment. Is this an eye pigment too? Yeah, so I got 2 eye pigments. Look at this pretty sparkly like holographic packaging. I can like barely read it. So it looks like one is in 05 Mystical and the other one is in 01 Goddess. So it looks like there's like a purple and a gold. Let's see. It says, I guess these are $16 each, and it's weightless jelly eyeshadows that feature crystal powders and metallic coated pearls that reflect light from all angles. That's so cool, they sent 2 of them. So here's the first one. This is stunning. I mean, I haven't taken it out of the packaging yet, but this will last a while. Let's put some on my hand. So it's a like squeezy tube, which is cool. I like that it's eye pigment. Oh my god, wow. This will be so pretty on the eye. I love that color. Let's see what the other one looks like. Pretty, like purple color. Is the lighting really off today? Sorry, it's pretty dark. Well, I mean, it's like 5 p.m. or something like that. I don't even know. What time is it? 5:45. Wow, I'm slow today. Like right after waking up, I took like a 2-hour nap. Like, what? Ooh, this is pretty. It's like a purple, like you could see before, but aren't these like shiny and pretty? I'm so excited to play with these on my eye. That'll be the real test. So I'll do like an update for the specs too in the future. So what else do we have in here? Something by VDL. This is the Expert Eye Balm Boosting Fixer. I don't know what this is really. So this is $18. It's a mascara booster that holds curls for even the shortest lashes, whereas a primer, top coat, or by itself. Cool. I have very short lashes, so I'm excited. I like how you could use this with your current mascaras. Right now I'm using a sample size or like a mini of the Pat McGrath Fetish mascara, which I do like, but okay, so it's black so you can wear it alone. That is what the brush looks like. I am really excited to give this a shot. A booster, a mascara booster, cool, awesome. And then there's 3 things in here by Invigo Brilliance. Let's see. So these are hair products. So there really is like a little bit of everything. There's beauty, like makeup, and then there's some skincare and some hair care. So this is the Brilliance with lime caviar, which isn't from fish, I recently learned. It's from a plant. Color Protectant shampoo for normal hair. Awesome. So here is that. So these are like deluxe size, not full size, but that's okay. It says this shampoo is $16.50, and then I have the conditioner here, which is $17.50. I'm gonna see if they have a scent. It has a light fragrance. It smells good. I'm not sure exactly what it is. Does it say? Oh, and the last thing is a hair mask. Wait, where'd that go? The Vibrant Color Mask. How do you use this? So you apply to clean, damp hair, leave on for 5 minutes, and then rinse out. So this is awesome. I'll probably do this like when I'm shaving my legs and stuff. That's usually when I do hair masks, which I haven't done in a while, by the way. So yeah, don't look at my legs. So it says, Wella Envigo Brilliance Shampoo, Conditioner, and Hair Mask. Instant color vibrancy for up to 7 weeks color protection. Awesome. I do highlight my hair, so I definitely could use that, and it's kind of growing out. I probably should get that done soon. I'm going to see how long I can get away without doing that, save some money. So this is an awesome VoxBox, wasn't it? So let's do a quick recap. So we got the shampoo, conditioner, and hair mask. And then, oh my god, the rest, I mean, I'm excited about everything, but probably the least excited about the hair product, just because I'm testing out another hair product, which you guys will find out about soon. But the skincare, like these humongous products by Saturday Skin, these will last a long time, like, because serum you just need like a little bit, and then this eye cream, it's crazy. I'm so excited to see how these work out. I'm super excited to try the brand by Kaja. I've heard about it, and these pigments look beautiful on my hand, so I can't wait to see how they perform on the eye. And I've never used a mascara booster before, and I've never used anything by VDL, I don't think either, so I am excited to try that out. And then, yeah, that's everything. So yeah, what do you guys think? Have you guys ever gotten a VoxBox before? Did anyone get this one? I want to know. Definitely leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear about your Influenster experience. And check out my last video if you want to learn more about Influencer itself. I explain more about it there and give a link to join and all that. And definitely let's follow each other on there if you are on that site. So anyways, I hope you guys are having an amazing weekend and a great night, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.